The truck, the shipment, the Ventus One coming in. Oh yeah. I'm just so ready. There she is, the beaut. Basically, the only components to these things are the battery, the controller, and the motor. That's it. You're looking at a bike that'll go 100 miles an hour.
Welcome to the show, you hoes. No. You gotta get rid of these things. Hard. You can go for something.
$7,100. There's about 50 of it right there.
Accessory box right here.
Yeah, that's not Roman's, bro.
That's your screen protector.
Oh, and this man knows what he's doing because he's already unboxed the V1 of this. So you know.
Well, mine didn't
comes with scissors?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what he was
that.
peeping. It's not as good as the Starks. Jason's is
Got a
much
whole
better.
toolbox,
Yeah, he's got the nice metal one engraved.
I
But
believe these are the wheel spacers.
nice.
Pretty sure.
It's probably to cut the zip ties and stuff. They were like sick of people being like, how do I get it off? The Ventus One Plus.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's a glory hole. Oh yeah, these are upgraded wheels. That's what they were saying. They are upgraded wheels. Oh.
Sorry.
You're good. I caught it. Oh, we caught her. Oh damn, they strapped this down. They got the full. Yeah, they
took the purple out of it and the red, so they put red instead.
Can I be honest? That makes me sad. I'm not Michelangelo. I'm Donatellaria. She's like, want to trade?
Absolutely not. I love my bike.
If I offered you a straight up trade for the Ventus One, I don't have the nameplate to it.
Yeah, this is nice.
I like this.
Mine is carbon, but yours looks more glossy.
Yeah. Oh shit, and they're blue. This is the America bike, red, white, and blue. Oh, it came with them off, so in case I don't want them, I don't have to have them on. That's
nice.
sick. Oh man, this is cool.
That's a nice shock in the back. Better than the stock.
It's the upgraded suspension, yeah. He's like, that was not a zip tie. He's just jealous, that's what he is.
Ooh. I don't know, I got the same. Right, bro. So, this must be the charger here.
Oh, nice. Was the charger. Yeah, he's like, I have better brakes. Big shout out to Jeremy at Electrocycle Garage for manning up and assembling this bike with a broken collarbone.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh damn, look at these brakes. This is beefy. I don't like the levers, but
No, they look nice.
he's a cute bastard. I paid $7,100 for this. I'll bitch if I want to. Do we take it off or keep it on? Let me know in the comments.
Check it out. I'll take a type. Ooh, you're gonna love this right here. You're never gonna use your brake,
yes!
bro.
Oh yeah,
You're never gonna
yes!
use your brake.
Oh, I forgot! I was looking forward to this. Wait, we gotta. Oh no! You know what we need to do? We need to take the battery out. That's what we need to do and charge
You got
this.
the key. Now, when you do it, you want to make sure the battery is off. I think.
Okay, off.
Let me see.
Yes. This is a beefy charger. Oh my god.
Not charging? It'll charge
Oh,
in a
nice.
second.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Well, no, the fan was spinning, stopped, and then went supercharged. Uncharging. Wow, that sounds mean. That sounds aggressive. Just says ready.
This shit on the side is your
Amperage?
EBS. That's your electric brake.
Huh?
So that's if you let off the throttle. it
Oh,
goes,
engine
"Oh."
braking? Oh, EB is engine braking.
Yup. So
Okay.
you want that on zero. Because
Okay.
if you like your Solaria, you don't drive it on because it's annoying.
Oh, yeah.
You're
If
gonna
I'm
use
racing
this.
in the trails, I turn it on.
You're
though,
gonna
for
use
sure.
this, bro. You don't need that no more. You have this.
Oh, yeah.
So you control it. So you press it a little bit to slow. So you know how brakes, you don't slam
Yeah.
the brakes.
Oh, yeah,
it's
for
the
sure.
Same thing. You use it soft, and then as you start getting closer, you hit it.
Yeah.
It doesn't start and drive. You gotta press it to go and drive,
Okay.
and then you can start throttling it. When it's in park, it locks the back brake.
Like permanent? Like all the time?
It locks it in P. We're gonna take a quick break. It's 90-something degrees out here. We are going to go swimming.
Absolutely coming together. Clean as a and she's still got the nipples. Immediately taking this off. This bike is so sexy. Ventus One, model V1. Vehicle weighs 70 kilograms and the minimum ground clearance 275 millimeters. Adjustable heavy duty suspension, travel 200 mil. The meatiest tires known to man. A 220 millimeter sprocket. .4 brakes. Alright boys, we're back. We are back, boys. That's easy go D2. Alright, let's try D. Whoa, alright, so D2. What the hell? What the f? I can lift it? That's crazy. The regen's sensitive, very sensitive. I like that. It's crazy that this thing lifts like that in eco, bro. That's insane. This bike is really powerful. What the f, dude? And I'm only in eco. I can't wait to get to race. I'm gonna put it in race next. Yo, the suspension on this is beautiful. This is like the Talaria, but it has a lot of nut in the higher RPMs, which is crazy. Why'd my dash go off? Come on, turn back on! Oh man, this is crazy. Which one's the horn? Am I... Oh, here. Why, did you turn it off? I can't see. Also, no, the screen just went out. Oh, lordy. I'm scared to turn it off because if I, like, what if I can't turn it back on?
No, you're gonna have to learn how to turn it on.
Yeah, like completely blind. What? Well, it worked. How would it work? Is it a setting?
Remember, when you turn it on, you're sitting there, you have to press these buttons. Put it in D and then park. Now, try to move it. Try to roll it.
It won't. Yeah, okay. Like it's locked. That's cool. I want to change mode.
You gotta double tap it. It tells you.
Oh, double tap. My bad. Okay. Race.
Try boost. That's the fastest one.
Okay.
Be careful.
Yo, nah, you can't even drive in this. We're gonna try D2 on boost. Okay, so this isn't as powerful. Here we got the Ventus, the original OG Ventus, all purpled out like a Chad. Oh, damn, he's got a nice helmet. This is what he should be wearing. Hell yeah, look at this, guys. We are here doing a night ride with the OG Ventus and the brand new Ventus One Plus. Yeah, you just tried it, you felt your collarbone and you were like, nah, I'm good. I'm used to shift locks now. Not like I don't have a shift lock on this, and so like I felt my foot go to that position and it's not there. Oh my god! I can't get as high on as I could on the Talaria because I feel like it wants to go forward. Yeah, it just wants to.
It's like pulling the shit out.
Yeah, yo, it really is. This is an insane bike. I was just about to put it down a little bit. Ah, yes, sir. Oh, he's got it. Oh, there he is. His tail, his fin looks so nice with the purple reflection off the lights. I feel like it's definitely wider, so when I squeeze it, it's interesting. Yeah, this is the f***ing life. Bike life, baby. Bike life. Hit that drop back. Bop! Okay, I see you. I see you. This bike's brand new. I'm just testing it out.
You a YouTuber?
Yeah.
What is your name?
Donna Talaria, boys.
What's up? What's good?
What's up?
It's a nice song.
Thank you. We just picked it up. Oh, see, this man's got stunt everything. Yo, what's up, brother? How's it going, Chief? Damn, he's all stunted out. You got the bashed-in tank, the crash guard, the rear pegs. We're the only two Ventus people in like, right? Sure. Like almost for sure. Sure. Well, yo, everybody was clowning me. You too. You were like, it's the bootleg one. Is this a tilt? Is this a angle? Look at this. It says 53 degrees.
Yeah,
it's an angle. It lets you know the tilt. Swing. Damn, they look sexy. Honestly, I think it's just the tires, bro. Oh, damn, all the scooters pulled up. The whole squad's here. Yeah, these things are nice. I just picked this up today.
The bike?
Yeah.
The whole bike?
Yeah. The touchdown. He caught it!
He wants me to race.
Oh, you want to race? All right, I'm in the top mode. I don't know if I can even grip, to be honest. Oh, nice. These things are fast, bro. Woo!
That one's built right.
Nah, stock. It comes 72 volt.
It look nasty.
It is. Thank you, thank you. Yo, that's crazy. We got the whole squad like this. Go. All right. Okay, it's time. It's time. The whole squad, bro. Yo, what's up, brother?
Oh, each other?
Bro, I can't. I can't. I can't. That's nice. You got all the toys. What's up, boys? What's up, man? I get in. Can I get in on this? Can I get in on this? Ah! Yo, this thing beats everything that there is. Oh, there he is. Okay. That's what I like to see. Oh, he's nice with it. He's clean with it. They're Ventuses. They're close. They look identical. Like, this is the surron frame, but they're just souped up.
How fast do they go?
Like 80 miles an hour.
What are you doing?
Ah, my race mode has engine braking enabled. Look.
This is your engine brake right here. So right now you got it on 75.
Oh, so that.
That's zero.
Zero.
And
Okay.
it's on D3. That's your fast mode.
I thought that the race mode was what had the regen in it, if that makes sense. So it's separate. Okay, so it's separate. All right, okay. It's so crazy. It's so hot. Hot damn. You literally can lock up the back tires with this shit so easy, bro. Now I'm in top mode, boost 3. I'm gonna lean forward so hard on this one. Ready? As soon as it goes green, we're off. What? It's too fun though, dude. What the bro? This shit's like the fastest of 40 miles I've ever seen. I'm not comfortable lifting this yet. Like, I just got comfortable lifting the Talaria and now I'm switching bikes and it feels different.
How's the bike?
Bro, this is actually like disgusting. If you want to take it out like a little bit like this. He goes, nah.
Bro, go home.
Yeah?
Hell yeah,
Why?
you're bugging.
I could just
11%
I could put on eco and just chill.
Oh, yes, you need to go home.
Plus, how you get a home with 13%?
I'm good.
How much that thing ran you?
7-1 to your house. Cause it's 6,400 for the bike, then 400 for taxes, and 250 for shipping. Only 3 people have this bike. or from Charge Cycle Works, because only 20 were allotted for the United States. Charge Cycle Works got 3 for June. They get another 3 in July, and then they get another 3 in August. He and I were just racing every single stop. Every single stop, we were like, have a good night, brother.
All right, bro.
Dude, if you ride this like an actual bicycle, it's kind of crazy. Like 9,000 kilowatts. I don't want to go over 10,000, or I don't want to go over 1,000 kilowatts. What a day. What a day. This is actually like such a nice like ride right now though, because it's literally like there's no one out. It's warm. We just get to chill. This thing got such a beautiful suspension, honestly. Like it was a smart move to upgrade it. It really makes the bike, dude. 4%. It was fun. Good shit. Thank you. Have a good night, brother. Appreciate the escort. I will see you Zoom. And we going back to the crib. All right, boys, that's it for the video for today. Thanks for stopping by. It was a beautiful day, beautiful ride, fantastic bike. Honestly, super fun. As always, thanks for watching the video. We're at 3%. Peace out.